Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm finally going to be showing my BTS Jin, the Astronaut inspired design on this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we're starting with base coat, and you guys already know that I'm using peel off base coat, my favorite type of base coat. To give a brief overview of this design, I wanted to focus on the doodles that are hung up in Jin's room in the music video, and I just wanted to focus on the home and family aspects. Next, I'm going to be painting my index and thumbnails black and the rest of my nails a sheer squishy white. Now, why this video took me forever to finish is because I was never satisfied with the voiceover. I always felt like I had to dance around the topic of enlistment despite the fact that he was going and we couldn't change that fact. But I now feel like we are in a much better position to talk about it because he's there and he's literally climbing up the ranks as we're speaking and as he's receiving the other members in the army. So anyways, as you can see, I'm using white polish and I'm painting the galaxy that is on the digital single cover art. So I am a fan of Jin's solo music from Awake, Moon, you name it. So I had an inkling that I would like this song. I just like the sound that he goes for and the concepts. So this was no exception. I had high expectations and I would say they were met. I don't remember when I watched this music video or what I was doing at that time, but I just remember hearing the song and just feeling comforted by it. I really liked the story that the music video was trying to tell by showing how Jin came from another world, but then, you know, encountering this world, the people that inhabit it, and finding a home here, and then being reluctant to leave. And I love that part with the little girl because it really showed this transition within Jin and something that causes like this inner turmoil or chaos, making him question whether or not he should go back to outer space where his home physically is, but maybe not where his heart is. And I just find the friendship between BTS and Coldplay to be so beautiful and heartwarming. I just love how Jin reached out to them and asked if they could write him a song, a special song for the last time, and they did, and he was able to give that to us as one of his last gifts before he headed off to the military. My favorite line from this song is, "When I'm with you, there is no one else. I get heaven to myself. When I'm with you, there is no one else. I feel this way I never felt," which is the chorus. And I like it because it really kind of isolates the two people in the story, which is Jin, and I guess it's a collective army, and it just makes you feel like important and it makes you feel loved. On the pinky fingernail here, I'm using black polish and a thin brush to draw out a grid because I'm going to be recreating the crossword puzzle that Jin fills in, and it spells out family. I wanted all the looks to be very homey, very doodly, very cute, and just to capture those subtler moments in the music video. I know I could have done something very in-your-face space theme, a lot of Utta, which is the mascot that Jin created for this concept, but I wanted it to be lighter and I wanted it to be more colorful, so I hope that those first four nails did that. And then for the thumbnail, my nail was kind of short at this time, so it was kind of hard to write Astronaut out, but I did that in the font that was created for this concept. You guys may or may not know how I feel about lettering, but I definitely dread it more than I enjoy it. But anyways, I'm just writing D, and then I'm going to be adding the final line to the A to connect it, and I feel like that added the finishing touch that just made everything come together. And then I'm just going to be adding a few specks with white polish for the twinkling stars in the night sky. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you are done with this Jin the Astronaut inspired design. So this is my completed BTS Jin the Astronaut inspired design. Again, Jin is already in the military, so I feel a lot more comfortable sharing this video now, and I'm always rooting for him no matter where he is, so make sure to do that and also to give the song a listen if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!